I'm back with another video of wrestling figures. This is a total of 9 figures. You could call this an unboxing. The mail that I got came in the mail came late. I usually get the mail at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. In the morning, I mean. This one, I got the mail in my mailbox and there was like magazines in there. And the box came right now, like at 4 o'clock. So, I'm opening it up. And the other video that I made of the 10 figures, well, I sold all of those yesterday. I only got $6 and we only made $6.03 profit, and I bought them for $28.97 for 10 figures, and I only made $6.03 profit. Try to hurry it up. I know the name. I know which ones are these. I'm just checking if there's any missing. Looks like it's a bag. Carlito. I see Carlito. I don't know his last name. Let me put him up here. This tripod is down, so. Sorry about that. Let's see what we got. It's kind of crooked now. Oh, there we got. I'm counting 9 of them. So, 1, 2. Finlay, Shawn Michaels, Batista, Randy Orton, the older Randy Orton with no tattoos, Kane. There we go, Kane. The Shane Undertaker, Rob Van Dam, Carlito, and Triple H. Not bad, not bad. And put them all up here. There we go. Put the light up here. You can see. So first of all, we have this version of Undertaker. Yes, the red eyelids. You know when the kids use their eyelids, put them up over their eyeballs. He's all dressed in black, like a biker. His tattoos. Oh yeah, that's cool. I've only had like 3 Undertakers. Let's see if they move and stuff. Just checking them out at a glance. The Kane, I've had a bigger action figure Kane, but it wasn't a wrestler. It was like a head flip, with the head flips inside and comes out to the back like this. I saw that one. This has a soft elbow cushion there. There's a pants look. Blip blip blip. Rob Van Dam. Ponytail. His face mold. Oh, it's no scuffs. Almost hardly any scuffs on them. There's no writing on the back, one in the front. It says Rob RVD. Randy Orton. His face. It's like, what? Where am I? There's a vein on his bicep there. Is it broken right there? No, it says mark. Orton. Tribal. What about a thumbnail? Finlay, they call him Dave Finlay. His head's kind of bigger than his body on this one. Ours is fine. Put his head back like this. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Wrestler to me. Carlito. Apple, is that an apple? There's Apple. This is the third Carlito I've had. So now I have 2. I was gonna have 3. And I was talking about, who was I talking about? Carlito, yeah, Carlito. This is my, it was supposed to be my 3rd Triple H, but I sold it. Yesterday I made a sale, so I sold the 10 figures, 10 wrestlers. Shawn Michaels. The cat looks like a cowboy, almost like a cowboy saddled up. Jeans or pants. Supposed to, yeah, there's a ponytail right there. What did you say? What did you say? The shoes and the boots, whatever. Batista, Bomb. Dave Batista. The dragon tattoo. Put him back up. There. Batista, Shawn Michaels, Carlito, Triple H. Finlay. Kane. Undertaker's brother. He wants to fall down. Randy Orton. So I paid $25 for these 9 of them. $25. And let's see. Oh, let me put the rest. Rob Van Dam. The box. Here's the box. Person I got it from. Is right here. Greg Campbell. Thank you, Greg Campbell. Let's see if I get a thumbnail right here. There we go. Put that one down. There we go, this way. That's my video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a short one. I'm making it nice and fun for you. Show them their face features. The boots, the shoes, the clothing they're wearing. It has a bubble wrap. Yeah, nice bubble wrap. It came within 4 days. 2-day shipping, it says on the box. Look at the Carlito's afro. That show his face. This one's a rubber head. It's kind of rubber, soft. It's like it has a rubber feel to it. Yo. Yeah, Triple H. I swear it looks like the Thor from The Return of the Hulk, the 1993-92 movie with Bill Bixby. Triple H. That's a tattoo somewhere. It's not. Shawn Michaels. Batista Bomb. Hey, get away from my car. Get away from my car. Mom, are we leaving yet? Oh yeah, this is Kane. My first Kane in this type of 6 or 7 inch form. I got to poop. Hurry up. Hurry up, I gotta pay. I got something in my intestines. It's not acting right.